Hello everyone, welcome back. I am happy to be with you. Vocabulary in English. I have faith. I have faith. لدي إيمان that as vocabulary as you get, English will be easy for you. I have faith. لدي إيمان واعتقاد إنه كل ما عاد كان عندك many vocabulary, you will be able to learn English. So I concentrate on vocabulary. Vocabulary in English. Before giving expressions how to make request قبل ما أعطي جمل لعمل طلب في البيت. receive 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 it's a verb. يستقبل يتلقى يلتقط يتلقى receive. at home في بعض الأفعال في الإنجليزي أضيف لها er أحولها إلى اسم. receive يستقبل. لما أضيف لها er أصبحت الريسيفر المستقبل اللي في البيت يستقبل الإشارة. receive receive. I received a message in my phone from Barton last month. I received استقبلت a message in my phone from Barton last month. last month. receive يستقبل. This is his mobile, his phone. This guy received a message from his friend Barton last month. parcel 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 noun. طرد بريدي. This is a parcel. This is a parcel. I got a parcel in the post today. I got a parcel in the post today. got حصلت على طرد in the post في البريد today. today اليوم. This is a parcel. take 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 it's a verb. يأخذ يستلم ينال. I always take my portable charger with me. portable can be carry يمكن حمله. portable قابل للحمل قابل انك تاخذه معك. I always take my portable charger with me. This is my portable power bank. portable charger. noise 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 it's a noun. ازعاج صخب ثرثرة صوت عالي. This is a noun. لما اقول noisy اصبحت صفة adjective. noise الاسم الازعاج. I can't put up with this noise. I can't put up stand يتحمل. I can't stand with this noise. I can't put up with this noise. noise noise. repeat after me always. concentrate يركز. concentrate يكثف. it's a verb. It is a verb. concentrate concentrate concentrate. I can't concentrate on my work. It is too noisy. Look at this, guys. He's working on laptop. So he says, I can't concentrate on my work. It is too noisy. إزعاج بصوت عالي. I can't concentrate. لا أستطيع التركيز. Concentrate with me, please. ركز معي لو سمحت. feed feed it's a verb. يطعم. food طعام. لكن feed يطعم يغذي يلقم. pigs pigs this is a pig. big كبير لكن بالبي ثقيلة. pig. pigs feed on grass. pigs feed on grass تتغذى على grass العشب. pigs feed on grass. again receive receive the first one. receive. did you receive the message؟ تسأل واحد تقول له did you receive the message؟ هل استقبلت الرسالة؟ did you receive the message؟ parcel parcel طرد طرد. parcel 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 parcel. the parcel. I have a sentence. the parcel weighs يزن more than 1 باوند، وزنه أكثر من رطل. باوند وزن أو صيغة حجم. take يأخذ، يستلم. لما شخص ask you for something، شخص يسألك لشيء ما، عمل شيء ما، you can say take your time. take your time، خذ وقتك، خذ راحتك. take your time. take. noise إزعاج. noise we have mentioned it is noise، إزعاج. we can say، خليني erase some of the sentences here. please turn off the radio. No, I have chosen sentence here. Oh, can you hear the noise of the waves? Can you hear the noise of the waves on the beach؟ هل تسمع إزعاج waves، الأمواج، on the beach؟ تعرف كلمة wave معناتها يلوح باليد، يأشر. باي باي. wave. Can you hear the noise of the waves on the beach؟ تسمع صوت الإزعاج الأمواج على الشاطئ. This is sentence for the word noise. Next, concentrate. concentrate يركز. Please turn off the radio. I can't concentrate. لو سمحت سكر الراديو، لا أستطيع التركيز. Please turn off the radio. I can't concentrate. لا أستطيع التركيز. feed يطعم. feed يطعم. feed it's a verb. I feed. daily يوميا. I feed my cat milk. This is for vocabulary of today, and daily I'm gonna to give you new vocabularies. I hope it's beneficial. Waiting you for your comments, your questions, whatever you want to ask. Have a nice time. This is والله عجبني الخط. It's smooth, سلس, بندر. Have a nice time. Bye bye.